to my channel. I am back again with another wig review, and this video is going to actually be a 2-for-1. So today I'm going to be reviewing this unit that I'm working on my head right now, which is the Zury Maji, and I have it in the color DR30. I will also be reviewing, just because I think they're the same color and I felt like it would be fun to kind of like put them against each other and see which one you guys like the most. I'm also going to be reviewing the Pure Natural lace front. The brand is Pure Natural and the style is Bali Girl 40. Before I talk anymore and talk your ear off, let's just jump right into it. So the first wig that I'm going to be reviewing is the wig that I'm wearing on my head right now, and that is the Zury Maji, and I have it in the color DR30. It is like an asymmetrical bob. It is a longer bob, and it is straight. The texture is like a light yaki, and it is a lace front unit. There are 2 combs up here near the part and 1 in the back, and there are adjustable straps. I purchased this unit from Go Beauty NY, and it was $27.99. They have tons and tons of discount codes and like promotions going on, so definitely check them out. They always have some kind of code on their site, so you can probably grab this for about 20-30% off. This unit kind of reminds me of that unit that like everybody was reviewing that I could never get because it was always sold out. I don't remember the name. If you guys remember the name, drop it down below because I am spacing out right now, but it reminds me of that unit. I feel like this is a really good everyday wear unit because I don't feel like it'll get tangled at all, just because of the way that it's cut. I haven't been experiencing any tangling with this unit or any shedding, and I've been wearing this actually for a few days before I filmed this. I did not pluck, but I did add some concealer. Like I said, I've been kind of wearing it to work and around. The hairline is pretty good. I could probably pluck some more and pull some hair out, but I think that the hairline is really good overall. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like from the back. So this is with some of the hair to the front and the rest of it to the back. This is what it looks like with all of the hair to the back. But yeah, I love this unit overall, and I think that, like I said, it's a really good like everyday wear unit because you can just really throw it on and you don't have to like style it or do much to it. It's already styled. Let me know what you guys think about Maji down below in the comment section, and let's move on to the next wig. Alright guys, so this next wig is from the Pure Natural lace front line, and it is the Bali Girl 40, and it is a lace front wig. There are 3 combs, so there's 2 here, 1 at the nape. There is adjustable straps, and there's a 6-inch deep part. I did not pluck or add any concealer. 40 inches. It's long. So this unit was provided to me by the amazing folks at Beauty For You, and they are another online beauty supply store. And so on the Beauty For You site, this unit retails for $65.99, which I'm sure is because there's just so much hair. Like, I can't fit all the hair into the frame, like, y'all. Like, this hair is Rapunzel. Let down your hair, sis. Let down your wig. So it is definitely very, very long. There is quite a bit of luster on this unit. If you are not into this amount of luster, you can always kind of dim it down with some powder. The hairline on this unit is okay. I feel like it could be a little bit better, but of course you can pluck that parting space and it will look a lot more natural. So this unit, the one thing that I don't like about it is that there's this hump of hair, like this filler hair. And I've talked about it before on my channel, that there's like this filler hair that companies have been adding into the wig up at the top, but it just kind of gives you a lopsided, like you'll definitely have to flatten this down with like a hot comb or a curl wand or something like that because it's just too bulky. This unit is definitely going to tangle. It's going to tangle on you because it's so long. There's just no way it won't. Let me see. I'm gonna try to pop you guys out of the frame so you can see how long this is. Okay. So you guys see my little makeshift stand? I still can't even get all the hair in the frame for this. Like, that's how long it is. And I have like backed you guys out as much as I could. Like, I'm already kind of getting tangling down here on this hair. But I do think that it's really, really pretty. I will put the links to both of the units down below in the description box. Let me know which one you guys like the most. If you're into like dramatic hair, dramatic, long, luscious, like Morticia Adams hair, then you'll definitely love this unit. Like I said, again though, be wary, it is going to tangle. It hasn't shed very much for me, but it does tangle. It's tangling a lot at the ends. And if you want, you could always just trim off extra. So I think this would be a perfect unit if I just cut about this much hair off. I think it would be absolutely gorgeous just like this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos, these 2-for-1s, battle of the lace fronts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.